Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I'll be teaching you how to make a leather handbag with a fox flick slipper. So let's get started. These are the materials we will be using to make the leather handbag and a fox flick slippers. This is the leather we'll be making use of, the milk color leather, and this is the draft of the bag that I'll be cutting out. I've already drafted it, so I need to cut it out. This is the hand of the bag, the draft of the hand of the bag. Let me cut it out. We have to use the back so the pen will not stain the front of the leather. Let me carve it instead. A little bit longer. This is the down. So it's like so. So it's like this. But we'll practicalize it on the machine. So guys, the same way we cut this leather, that's the same way we'll be cutting the lining. So guys, let's sew. First of all, if you want to sew, notch the center up and down. Notch it, please. Like this. Okay. On the other side and sew. Notch the arc side so it can be able to relax. Stitch it one side. Once you sew, you stitch by this side. Draw it. See how neat the sewing is. Let's do the same thing the other side. Sew from center to center. So guys, we are done sewing. See, very neat. And this is the lining, exactly what we sew in the body, you sew the same thing in the lining. So let me cut it and cut the excesses out. Let me sew the hand of the bag. This is the hand. We'll be using this wire to put in the hand to make it strong, so it will not be soft. Guys, the wire that's inside the leather, you have to stitch it so the leather will not be shifting left and right. Stitch. Once you're done stitching, you fold and sew, fold and sew. Fold it like this. And sew. So guys, we are done sewing the hand of the bag. Look at what it looks like. see the mouth, and you stitch the end. Set. So let's attach it to the back. From the center where I notched, let's measure out 2 inches. That's where we'll attach the hand. 2 inches. 2 inches. And the length where we want the hand to start is 3 inches. 3 inches. The other side. 3 inches. So let's put the hand. That's it. So have to open the bag. Open it. On the other side. So, come like this. Don't sew in the hand. See how the hand is like this. Yes. Put the lining inside. Put the back of the lining inside. But before we put the back of the lining inside, put it downside to make the back look strong. See the shape of the back. I'll show you how to sew the zip. I've already cut out the leather, so I need to sew the zip. This is how I will be sewing the zip. After sewing, the next thing for us to do the gummy aspect of it. Place like this on top of it, and leave a space at the edge of the zip, because both of them is not meant to be like this. It's meant to leave a space at the end and also leave the space at the end of this side. So make sure it's equal, and so guys, we have to start gumming. You're done sewing the zip, so let's start gumming. First of all, we'll gum this carton so this carton can relax very well. Make sure it's exactly the way you sew the back. That's the same way you sew the lining, so it can relax very well. So let's apply it first. The down of the lining. Apply. On the other side, apply. Sticking the lining inside the bag. The next thing is to cover this place with the like this. First, anything you want to do, always notch center to center. Not center to center, so you can be able to achieve a neat work. So see the place we notched before, remember earlier. Apply the gum, then use the gum to cover the lining. Apply the gum, place it on the center. Sew round. So guys, we're done sewing. Let's fold it inside and gum it with the lining. Let's gum it. Place it like this and apply the gum 1 inch higher from the length of the bag. The next thing, we don't leave it to dry. The next thing for us to do, is to add a design to the back to make it look unique. We'll be using this small feathers to design the back. Into 2. Cut this into 2. First, use this purple to make a circle shape in the front of the bag. The comb. Place it. So cute. These are the slippers. Place it on the feathers. Apply the gum like so. Push it back. Place it like so. Push it back. Push it back. Apply the gum. Push it back. The inside. Fine. Aww. So guys, please, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, like, share to your friends and loved ones, and please remember to click on your notification button to know whenever I post new video, and please remember to subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section. Bye bye. I love this bag. I'm gonna rock it. I will rock it.